Hello students, today we are going to learn about linkers. The topics we are going to cover in this session are Introduction to linkers, categorizing according to their functions, different ways of using them, links to other websites for practice, and worksheets. Now, let us see what are linkers. Linkers are words that relate one idea or sentence of the text with another. They connect the ideas logically. They are also called connectors. Now, why do we need these linking words? These linking words help us to carry over from one sentence to another, from one paragraph to another, in a way that allows the reader to understand your ideas better. They help us to compare, contrast, illustrate, define and summarize our thoughts and develop descriptive paragraphs. So now, let's move on to learn these linkers. There are different types of linkers. We can categorize them according to these different categories. Words expressing result, words expressing reason, words expressing purpose, words expressing contrast, words expressing time, words expressing condition, and words giving some additional information. Now, let us see some linking words expressing result. So that, such that, so. We use so in one part of the sentence and that in other part of the sentence, and such that in the same way. Let us see the forms and examples of these linking words. The words expressing result, the form of so that is so plus adjective or an adverb plus that plus clause. He was so tired that he went to bed early. The film was so boring that I went out before the end. Now coming to such that. The form is such plus noun plus that plus clause. It's such a cold day that I will stay in bed. It was such a difficult exam that he knew he wouldn't pass it. For the linking word so, the form is so plus clause. Now let us see some examples. Mrs. Sharma was sleeping, so didn't hear the thief. It was late, so he decided to take a taxi home. Let us see some linking words expressing reason. Since, as, seeing that, because of, as a result of, due to. As and since usually come at the beginning of the sentence because tends to go after the main clause. The same idea can also be expressed using the prepositions due to, because of, as a result of, Now, let us see the forms and some examples of words expressing reason. The form of since, as and seeing that is since, as or seeing that plus clause. Since we arrived late, all the best seats had been taken. Or we can say, as we arrived late, all the best seats had been taken. Seeing that he is ill, he is unlikely to come tomorrow. The form of because. Because plus clause. The bus was late because of the traffic jam. We cannot trust him because he often tells lies. The form of because of, as a result of, due to is because of, as a result of, or due to plus noun or a noun phrase. He has been dropped from the team because of injury. Students have learned a lot due to this project. Many people died as a result of bomb blast. Now let us see the linkers of purpose. To do, in order not to do or in order to do, so that, in order that. Linkers of purpose are used to answer the question why or what for. For words expressing purpose, we can use infinitives to do, in order not to do. Some examples are, we came to the countryside to find some peas. Handle the flowers carefully in order not to damage them. She worked hard in order to pass. Now, how to use so that? So that plus clause or in order that plus clause. Examples, I opened the door so that she could come in. He chose this university in order that he could study English. Now let us see the linking words expressing contrast. Even if, even though, although, despite, in spite of, however, though, but, while, whereas, on the one hand, on the other hand. Sometimes we want to link two ideas that are different from each other. For example, one is a positive idea and one is a negative idea. Or we want to link one idea to another one which is surprising or unexpected. For this we use linking words expressing contrast. Now let us see the forms and some examples. Now let us see the forms. Even if, even though or although plus clause. Usually this comes before or after main clause. Even if the car is old, it is still reliable. Or you can say, even though the car is old, it is still reliable. Although we don't agree, I think she is a brilliant speaker. Despite, in spite of, plus a noun or a noun phrase or ing form. The examples are, in spite of the noise, children could study for the exam. Despite the rain, we enjoyed the festival. Despite the fact that, in spite of the fact that, plus clause. In spite of the fact that it was snowing, the festival took place as usual. However, I would love to join for lunch. However, I am too busy. Though I am determined to buy a house this year, I don't know where exactly though. But, while, whereas. John is very rich, but his friends are very poor. She waited while he poured a cup of coffee. All of my sisters are doctors, whereas I am a teacher. On the one hand and on the other hand. On the one hand, these computers are expensive. On the other hand, they are exactly what we want. Now let us see some linking words expressing time. While, when, as, after, first, then, later, during, all through, throughout. Now, there are many words and expressions to refer to time. You can use these to sequence events and to make stories and anecdotes more interesting. Now, let us see words expressing time. When, while, as, after, plus clause. This usually comes before main clause for added emphasis. While I was driving along the road, I saw a terrible accident. When the wind blows, all the doors rattle. As your mother, I know what is best for you. After the storm, it was calm. Now, first, then, later can be used to introduce a chain of events. First, he closed all the windows. Then he locked the doors. Later, he came back to check that everything was all right. During, all through and throughout are followed by a noun or a noun phrase. During the concert, some people try to get on the stage. All through the summer, we get a lot of visitors. It rained heavily throughout the night. Now let us see some words expressing condition. Even if, as long as, unless, whether, in case. Words expressing condition allow us to expand our thoughts into fuller sentences. The form of the words expressing condition are even if, as long as or unless plus clause, which comes usually before or after main clause. I am going out tomorrow even if it's raining. The car will be running as long as you take good care of it. You can't come with me unless you promise to keep quiet. Now, whether. Whether plus clause. After main clause and is used in indirect questions with or not. I don't know whether you have met him or not. In case. In case plus clause usually comes after main clause. Take this umbrella in case it rains. Now let us see the words expressing additional information. Besides, in addition to that, furthermore, moreover, not only but also, as well. These words are usually used to add another idea or further develop the previous point. Besides, in addition to that, furthermore can be used at the beginning of the sentence following the first statement made. I don't really want to go out tonight. Besides, there is a good film on TV. He was cold and tired, and furthermore, he was hungry. In addition to picking up milk from the grocery store, we also need to get some bread. Moreover can be used at the beginning or middle of the sentence to give additional information. For example, the theory about the origin of the universe is new. It is moreover extremely interesting. Not only but also, as well, can link two sentences, phrases or words. He is not only handsome but also intelligent. She not only writes novels but she lectures as well. As well as can be followed by a single word or a phrase or ing form of the verb. Ram speaks English fluently as well as German.